Proverbs is a short saying is widely used to express an obvious truth. Okay, in the proverbs you can find a hidden. Okay, there is a meanings are also there and is a obvious true fact. Okay, for example, we have practice makes perfect. Practice makes perfect. This is a short traditional saying that express some fact, some truth or familiar experience. If the person have that experience, if the person have that the truth that is given in the proverbs, that is a short, widely expressed and obvious truth. Okay, but when we are saying the proverbs, in the proverbs there is a hidden meaning, and that proverbs we have to be utilized in our, you have to make one sentences, you have to make one sentences. Here we have such kind of proverbs. A bad workman always blames his tools. Now what is the meaning of this proverbs? The meaning of this proverbs, that means a bad person who are not able to do the work properly, he is always blamed to his tools or always blamed to the other person. Okay, absence makes the heart grow fonder. What is the meaning of this? That is, that someone is stay very far to you, then your heart miss that person. Then you understand the value of the person in your day-to-day life. Okay, so these are the proverbs where you find the hidden words, hidden meanings are there. Okay, and they are made just because of the it shows the experience, it shows the obvious truth are there, but these words we are not used in our day-to-day life. This we have to be make it into a sentence formation. ओके आपकी हिंदी लैंग्वेज में भी कई बार आपने सुना होगा कहावतें या मुहावरों को वाक्य में प्रयोग करो. This is you have to be see in a Hindi and Marathi languages also. The same way we have in English also, that was called a proverbs. The words we have and that we have to make in a sentences, right? Here we have some example. See students, this is the proverbs that better little late than never. Better late than never. Now this is our proverbs. Okay, now let me convert it into a sentence. Now not convert it, let me use this in a sentence. Rakesh started his own restaurant at the age of 60. Okay, what is the meaning of this? That better late than never, that you have to be start your work as earlier. Okay, you have to start your work earlier. So this is one the sentence that Rakesh started his own restaurant at the age of 60. Okay, so you have to start your work before. Okay, now see the second proverbs. What is the second proverbs is penny wise pound of foolish. Penny wise pound foolish. That means Sita brought a cheap dress from the store but spent a lot of money is getting it fixed. So it shows that you have to use the money wisely. Okay, so Sita brought the dress in a cheap dress, but for this fitting she gave lots of money. So that means she is become a foolish person because she gives a lots of money for the fitting, right? So there are the some kinds of proverb students where you can find a hidden meanings are there. For example, this proverbs. Okay, can see this proverbs that cleanliness is next to goodliness. Good lines. Sorry, cleanliness is next to good lines. Okay, now this proverbs we have to be with the help of this sentence we have to be write the sentence. Tina always keeps her study table neat and tidy. Tina always keeps her study neat and tidy. Okay, these are the proverbs. While you read the proverbs, you're not able, while read the proverbs, there is full sentence formation is not there, but there is the depth meaning is there. And with the help of this proverbs, you have to make your own sentences. You have to make your own sentences. But the sentence and the proverbs are should be same. Okay, the sentence and proverbs are should be same. So students, proverbs Okay, proverbs, you are able to make the sentences if you know the meaning of the proverb. If you don't know the meaning, so you are not able to make a sentences. There are the different and 100 types of proverb, students. Okay, so for that, what you have to use, you have to be read a different kinds of proverbs. All right, you have to find out the different kinds of proverbs. Try to find out the meaning of that proverbs, then you can make your own sentences. And your sentence, it should be related to your proverbs, otherwise it will consider a wrong. So this is all about the proverbs.